Hello everyone and welcome to this Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is Neil Harris and the topic of today's masterclass is inclusion in English language teaching. You might be forgiven for asking the question, why are you bothering talking about inclusion? Don't we have enough to think about as busy English language teachers? And of course, you're right. Lesson planning, materials development, assessment, administration, these are all critically important. But I'd like to add to that list and try to persuade you to understand that if we are going to assess our students fairly, if we're going to teach them well, then we have to begin by thinking about inclusion. So this masterclass introduces the concept of inclusion and why it matters, but then it goes on to consider two things. Firstly, what are some simple, practical, easy steps that you can undertake starting from tomorrow to make your classroom a more inclusive space, but also to examine our beliefs as teachers of what inclusion means to us when it comes to looking for our next job or finding employment, and why inclusion really matters and shouldn't threaten our success as language teachers from all around the world.